In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Chat and set your status, ensuring you stay connected and manage your availability effectively. Whether you're using it for work, study, or keeping in touch with friends and family, these simple steps will help you use Google Chat like a pro. To begin, let's open Google Chat. You have two options here. You can either navigate directly to chat.google.com in your web browser, or if you prefer accessing it through Gmail, just open your Gmail account and find the chat option conveniently integrated there. Both paths lead to the same place, so you can choose whichever fits your usual workflow best. Once you're logged into Google Chat, you'll notice your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Let's click on that profile picture. This is where all your status settings are hidden, and clicking it will open up a menu with several handy options to manage how you appear to others. Here, you'll be able to select your status. You have a few choices depending on your needs. If you're ready and available to chat, simply choose the Active or Available option, which signals to others that you're online. For those moments when you need to concentrate without interruptions, select Do Not Disturb. This temporary setting will stop notifications, allowing you to focus on what matters without being distracted. Lastly, if you want to personalize your status, you can opt for a custom status. You might want to type something like "in a meeting" or "working remotely." This option gives others a clear picture of what you're up to without the need for a dedicated message. Now, if you're setting a custom status, there's an added feature you might find beneficial. You can specify how long you'd like this status to remain visible. Options range from 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 4 hours to today or until you clear it. This is particularly useful if your schedule changes throughout the day and you want your status to automatically revert back without having to remember to change it later. Once you've made your choice regarding status and duration, all that's left to do is to click Done or simply press Enter. This action saves your status, and it will now appear next to your profile picture, making it visible to others. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to manage how you present yourself online, ensuring your communication is clear and your time is respected. There you have it. With these steps, you'll be able to open Google Chat and set your status according to your needs, keeping your communication accurate and up to date at all times. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay more connected and productive.